Azure Data Engineer. I'll open the material. I'll go for the AZ copy concept migrations. Okay, fine. I hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? Okay, fine. So, see what happens here, guys. Very interesting, very interesting. See now, what happens here. Till now, if you have noticed, okay, till now, if you guys have noticed, okay, till now, if you guys have noticed that if we want to, okay, upload, or if we want to keep any file or data in our storage account, then what we'll do, okay, manually. Will do manually, right? If I go to the storage account here, see, I'll show you. I'll go to the storage account. I'll take this storage account for an example. Okay, blob services. I'll go to this container. Okay, now see here, if I want to upload this file, any file, what I'll do, I'll say here upload, right? I'll click here browse for file. I'll select the file whatever I want. Okay, and I'll say here open, and then again I click on upload. So the file got uploaded. The file got uploaded, right? So what we are doing here, okay, if you want to upload or if you want to keep any file or data in our storage account, then we are doing it manually. We are doing it what we'll do it manually, correct? We'll do it manually. Suppose if there are 5 files, okay, we can upload or we can keep. We can upload or we can keep it, okay, manually. If there are 15 files, still not a problem. We can do manually. Okay, if there are 150 files, then manually is not recommended. The client will not allow you to upload 150 files like this. Upload, browse for file, select the file, say here open, then again say here upload. This is completely mechanical process. Mechanical process this is. So the client will say that this process or manually, I don't want manual intervention. Okay, what he'll do, he'll say that, okay, write a script, okay, as such, if there are, okay, 10 files or 100 files or 1000 files or 1 lakh files, 1 lakh files, whatever it is, okay, in one shot, the complete data has to be migrated from on-prem to Azure Cloud Platform. Azure Cloud Platform inside the storage account. Okay, the complete data has to be migrated from on-prem to Azure Cloud Platform inside the storage account. In one shot, just in one shot, it should happen. If there are 10,000 files, if there are 50,000 files, so manually is not possible. Migration, like, moving or migrating the data in this way is not recommended. So for that, what we'll do, we'll use a software, a command line utility or a tool called AZ copy, which helps us to write the script. Okay, which helps us to write the script. And then what happens here with that script, once you execute that script, okay, whatever the files are there, that all files will get migrated to your Azure cloud platform. That all files will get migrated to your Azure cloud platform. All right, fine. So what I'll do here now, AZ copy is what very important, guys, for data engineers. This concept is very important. AZ copy is a command line utility tool that we can use to copy blobs or files to or from to or from storage account. We have to download AZ copy software or tool that connects to our storage account and then can transfer or migrate the files very easily in one shot. Just in one shot. If there are 1 lakh files also, which is the total data volume of that 1 lakh files, normally 1 lakh files would not be there. Okay, I'm just telling as an example. If there is even 100 GB data also, it will get migrated just in one shot. Okay, of course, it will take time, but there is no manual intervention that is needed here. Absolutely. Okay, you write the script, you execute the script, that's it. It will migrate. So, migration from private cloud to public cloud. Who is private cloud? Private cloud is my laptop. Private cloud is my laptop, and public cloud is public cloud. Public cloud is this cloud platform, this storage account. This storage account is public cloud. Okay, fine. This is what I'm saying. It's called forward migration. I'm moving from my private cloud to public cloud. Download the AZ copy DLL from the below link in our laptop. So this is the link I have given. Straightforward. No need to search in Google. Microsoft documentation. This is directly I have given. Go to this Microsoft documentation. Okay, and then here what you have to do, after it gets downloaded, extract the zip file, go inside the folder. Okay, I'm saying here, okay, after it gets downloaded, extract the zip file. So download the AZ copy, portable binary, run, authorize AZ copy, transfer data, get command help. Okay, things are there. I'll say download the AZ copy, and then I'll say here Windows 64-bit. If you are having Windows 64-bit, select here. Mostly 95% of the people is having Windows 64-bit only. If you are working on Linux, then you can use this Linux operating system. Click on this Windows 64-bit. Now see, AZ copy is getting downloaded in your laptop. Very small software. Fine, this is the software that has been downloaded. AZ copy. I'll click on this one. I'll take this software, AZ copy, this DLL. This DLL, I'll take this DLL. Okay, go inside folder. Okay, after it gets downloaded, extract the zip file. Okay, no, now it is no more required to extract the zip file. Directly it is giving the file to us. Okay, it is giving unextracted only. Just double click here and take this one, easy copy. Fine. After that, go inside the folder. Okay, azcopy.exe and paste it in the below path. So this particular DLL, you have to paste it in this path. C Windows System 32. So I'll come here. C Windows System 32. This one, System 32. See now here you have to paste this one. Control C, Control V. And after that you just come here and search AZ copy. Just hold on. Sorry, I have done a spelling mistake. AZ copy. Yeah, this one. See, already this DLL is present in this path. In this path. Okay. In this path, you have to just Control C and Control V. You have to do, because when you execute the command, when you execute the bash command, then that command will go and hit this DLL, and this DLL should be in this path. See Windows System 32. Okay, you have to place it in this path only. Fine. After this is done, go to Azure portal, create a storage account and create a container blob storage service. That's correct. So I went here, I'll create a storage account. Okay. I'll say here blob storage services. I have created a container. This is as created a container as input. I'll delete these existing files. Okay, now my container is completely empty. My container is empty. Okay, come inside the blob container storage, click on the properties left side. Okay. So this is my container, right? Input. My container name is input. Come inside the container, click on properties and copy this URL. That's what I'm seeing here. See? Okay. Come inside the blob container storage, click on properties left side, copy the URL and paste it in a separate notepad. Paste it in a separate notepad. So I'll say here URL. I'll come here. This is I have pasted in a separate notepad. This is I have pasted in a separate notepad. This is done. Fine. Now go to shared access signature. Select all the options. Click on radio button. HTTP and HTTPS. Click on generate SaaS and connection string. This is a procedure, guys. This is the procedure. Go to the storage account. This is the storage account. Say here shared access signature. Shared access signature. Go here. Okay. Blob is the services which is having containers inside it. Okay. And container is having objects as files. What I'll do, I'll just select all. I'll say here HTTPS and HTTP. These are the protocols. I'll say here generate SaaS and connection string. I'll say generate a SaaS and connection string. After this is being generated, okay, generate SaaS and connection string. Copy the SaaS token carefully. Concatenate this SaaS token with the container blob storage service URL. So where is the SaaS token? This is the SaaS token. This is the SaaS token got generated. Click here, copy the SaaS token, come here and paste it. Okay, fine. This is the container URL. This is your SaaS token. This is your SaaS token. Now what you have to do, you have to concatenate these two. You have to concatenate these two. So for that, what I'll do here, okay, see, this is blob storage container URL. This is the SaaS token. Blob storage container URL. This is the SaaS token generated. So what I'll do here, my URL is ending here, right? So how I'm doing the concatenation? See, example I've given container URL, SaaS token. Same like this container URL, SaaS token. Now I'm doing the concatenation. What I'm doing here, see, I'll just add one backslash. I'll add one question mark. That's it. I'm adding one backslash. I'm adding one question mark, and then I'll just mingle this. I'll just mingle. This is what my concatenation done. This is my concatenation done. One backslash and one question mark I have added, and then I do the concatenation. This is what the concatenation I have done. Okay, fine. Now search for command prompt. Okay, Azure CLI in our laptop and open with run as administrator. Okay, so I'll just search here as command prompt. CMD, right click, run as administrator. Okay, fine. Run as administrator, AZ login. Choose the correct subscription where you want to copy the data. Where you want to copy the data, I want to copy the data here in this Azure subscription in this storage account. In this subscription, karun100@gmail.com in this storage account. So I'll say here first AZ login, enter. It will ask me in which subscription you want to do the migration. In which subscription, okay, you want to do the migration. So which subscription, this one or this one? We are working on which subscription? This one, karun100@gmail.com. Correct na? Right na? This one. So I'll come here and I will click on this one, karun100@gmail.com. This is done. Now automatically it took the login. It has given me my subscription details. It gave me my subscription details. Fine. After that, what I'll do, okay, I have choose the correct subscription where you want to copy the data or migrate the data. Then type azcopy.exe space copy. Okay, say here azcopy.exe space copy. Here, okay, give the source path. Give the source path from where you want to copy the files. Okay, then one more space. Be very careful. Double quotes here. Okay, here give the path. Okay, here give the path. Okay, here give the path to where you want to load, to where you want to migrate the data, to where you want to migrate or copy the data. Okay, then hyphen hyphen recursive. Very simple. azcopy.exe space dot copy again space. Here basically if I put it in very simple words, if I put it in very simple words, then I'll say here give the source path. Here give the source path. Okay, 1 minute. azcopy.exe. Okay, no space here. Be very careful. azcopy.exe space dot copy. Here, if I put it very simple words, source path. From where you want to get the files. From where you want to get the files. Okay, then one space. Here, destination path. Destination path. Then hyphen hyphen recursive. This you have to remember. So source path is what? From where you want to copy the files. So where are my files? My files is in my laptop for an example. So what I'll do, I'll say that I want to copy, okay, all these files. All these files I want to copy into my destination. What is my destination? My destination is this storage account. Here I want all the files to be here inside this container input. I want all my files, but right now there are no files. All these files, EMP, department, countries, data, this, that, blah, 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 blah. All these files, okay. Zip files, image files, folders, everything I want to copy. So what I'll do, this is the path. This is the path I'm having. I'll say Control C, come here and say Control V. Okay, fine. Now destination path, where you want to migrate the data. This is from where you are picking the data, from where you are picking the data from my laptop. And this is where you are moving the data or migrating the data. So the other way, the place where I am migrating my data is here in this storage account, in this container. And that is this one that we have created, right? This is my destination. This is my destination. What was my source? Source is this one where my data is present. All this data I want to copy. So this is my source. This is my source and this is my destination. Okay, where I want to, okay, copy the files, place the files basically. So container property URL. Okay, where I have done the concatenation. Where is my concatenation, guys? I lost it or what? I have done the concatenation, right? I think I have removed it now. Involving destination, huh? Acha. Okay, okay. Sorry, absence of mind. Here, this is what my destination only. Sorry, sorry. Okay. I'll take this one and I will paste it. Sorry, sorry. This is, I'll paste it. Okay, this is my source up to here. This is my destination up to here. hyphen hyphen recursive. This is part of the syntax. Part of the syntax. Okay. That is what I have done. Fine. And then finally hit enter. After you have given the source and destination, okay, I'll say here hit enter. So before hitting enter, I just want to show you as a proof right now in my destination, nothing is there. See, in my destination, nothing is there. I'll go here and I'll hit. I'll go here and I'll hit enter. Okay. Now, bah, what is, see, the migration is completed. Let me go here. Let me go back. No, that it's not done. Number of file transfers 63. These are total 63 files. These are total 63 files. Okay. Number of file transfers completed. Why it's getting failed? It's getting failed actually. Okay, it is saying the newer version is available to download. The newer version is available to download. That is fine, but why it is getting failed? azcopy.exe space dot copy. Okay. I'll take this as source. Source path, one space, then destination path. Okay, now it is now it is happening. See, now the migration is happening. See, 24% completed, 66% completed, 83% completed. Okay, the migration is going on. That's it, finished. The migration is completed now. So how much time it has taken? Hardly it has taken some 15 to 20 minutes. How much it has taken? Sorry, 15 to 20 seconds it has taken. It has taken hardly 15 to 20 seconds. Final job status is succeeded. Okay, number of file transfers is 63. Files transfers completed is 63 here. Now I'll just go one step back. I'll take a refresh. See, if you are seeing the status as completed here, then definitely the files will get migrated. Amazing, amazing. See, all the files got migrated just in one shot. Just in one shot, all the files got migrated. It took hardly 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds it has taken. Okay, fine. Is that clear, guys? This is what the migration we have done. Very simple, very simple, very easy. Data is very less. Data volume altogether, if you see how much it is, the data volume altogether. If I go here, if I say here, show more options, I'll say here, go to properties. There it is 47.3 MB. It is hardly 47.3 MB, which is very, very less. That's why the migration has happened very quickly. Migration has happened very quickly. If I say here for an example, okay, blob container, I say here create, okay, I go here, okay, fine, and I will go to the storage account. I'll say here SAS, okay, I'll say here shared access signature, okay, I'll generate the SAS token, come here, okay, and paste it. What I'm doing, I'm just doing the concatenation. Done. I'll say here az copy.exe space dot copy. Okay, I'll say the source path this one. I'm changing the source path this time. I'll go to D. I'll go here to Naresh IT, Azure Data Engineering. Hmm, I'll say here. Okay, this is some big files. I'll go here, put this one. I'm not sure. Spaces are there. These spaces should not be there actually. I'm not sure whether this will happen or not. Let me try. Okay, and then I'll give this destination path. Okay, see the migration is happening. 16% completed, 38% completed, 60% completed. See here, 82% completed here. See, the migration is going on. Just hold on. See, the data is little, volume of the data is little high. The volume of the data is little high. That taking little more time as compared to previous time. Previous time it happened just in 10 seconds only. Now status is succeeded. I'll come here now. I'll go here. I'll take a refresh. Okay, I will go here to my container, blob container. See here, I got all the three files loaded. Okay, so if you see the total data of these files, it is little bit higher. That's why it has taken little more time to complete the job. To complete the job, it has taken little more time. If I say here, show more options, properties, so it is 1.20 GB. It is 1.20 GB. Okay, this is the migration we are doing from. Okay, this is what we call as forward migration. We're calling this as what? Forward migration. This we call as forward migration. Okay, from on-prem to Azure cloud computing storage services. Now, the reverse is also 100% possible. The reverse is also possible. Means what? Okay, migrating the data from public cloud to private cloud. For this, you have to just if I come here, okay, I'll say here new folder. I'll say here migrated data from Azure cloud. Just one folder I'm creating. Is there anything here in this folder? No, nothing is there in here in this folder. See guys, I'm showing you with small volume of data. In real time projects, you will do with a very high volume of data, but the way of doing the procedure is same only. You have to have a global administrator access in the Azure subscription, then only you can do this in your real time projects. Okay, I'm just dealing with a small volume of data. In real time projects, you could be having 1 TB, 2 TB, depends upon, okay, depends upon business to business case. Okay, fine. All right. So what I'll do now, I'll say that Okay, I want this complete, okay, files. Sorry, not this one. I better delete this. It's getting confused unnecessarily. It's getting confused me. I'll just delete this container. Now I want all these files. I want all these files, okay, in my laptop here. Right now it is empty. It is empty. I want it all this here. So for that, what I'll do, okay, this will become my source. Now this will become my source. Correct, na? So I'll say here az copy.exe space dot copy. This will become my source and my destination is this one. This will become my destination. Reverse engineering. Okay, reverse engineering. Okay, then I will say here hyphen hyphen recursive. Okay, I'll say here enter. Just hold on. Yeah, see, the migration started. 10% completed. Okay, 10% migration completed as of now. Okay, so migration it is taking little more time, but forward migration completed, done, finished. I'll come here now to my destination. Okay, I'll just refresh the page here. See now here you are going to see all the files that you got it in one shot from your private, from your public cloud to your private cloud, from the public cloud to private cloud. Okay, this is what we call it as a, okay, reverse migration. Reverse migrate. Create an empty folder in any drive in your laptop. Create a storage account and create a blob container, and let's keep some data in it. Let's keep some data inside the storage account. Open the command prompt with administrator access and pass the below command using easy copy as shown below. Reverse you have to write. Next is what we are having, platform to platform migration also. One storage account to another storage account. One storage account to another storage account. So now this became my source now. If I want to do the platform migration, this will become my source now. Okay. And I'll create one storage account and I'll try to move. Okay. I'll create one more storage account. Quickly, I'll create one more storage account, SRC 1987. Okay. I'll just go ahead and I'll create this storage account. I'll click on create. Let the storage account gets created here. Done. Storage account got deployed. Oh, sorry. Actually, this should be my destination. So I have to give name as what destination here. Just 1 minute. I don't want to make confusion here. Okay. How can I give source here? Sorry. I will say here delete, delete. I'll say here destination 1985. I'll say here destination 1985. Source we have given that only na 1985 something. I'm just giving the same name so that it will be easy for us to understand. Source 1985, destination 1985, destination. Okay. Okay. It is done now. Okay. This is my destination. So I'll go to the storage account. I'll create one container. I'll give it as destination container. Click on create. Click on this container properties. Copy the URL. Okay. This will be my destination. Okay. I'll go here to the storage account. I say a SAS. Okay. Fine. Correct. Now, blob is one of the services. Inside the blob, we are having container. Container is we are trying to migrate. That is nothing but objects. Fine. I'll take this one. I'll say here SAS token. Come here. Paste it. Done. Now, see what I'll do. I'll clear the screen. Okay, I'll clear the screen. I'll say here az copy.exe. Now, see where is my data right now. If I go to the storage accounts, this is my source storage account, src source storage account, and data is here. Data is here. Correct na? Complete files is here. What my plan is to move the data from here to here. Copy the data from here to here. So for that, what I'll do, I will, okay, Control C. Okay, sorry, I have to give this double quotes. This is very irritating here. Okay, I'll say here is copy.exe space dot copy double quote. This is my source, and then this is my destination. Very simple logic, guys. Okay, we have to just play with the command here. That's it. Now see, my destination storage account is going to get all the files now. Okay, it's done. Migration, super. Migration is completed. Final job succeeded. So click here, see all the files came to my destination storage account. All files came to my destination storage account. See, destination 1985. All the files I'm able to see. All the files I'm able to see. This is what how it is, guys. Platform migration. Okay. Firstly, ensure the second storage account, which is nothing but your destination storage account, should be empty and must be having a container blob storage service created inside the storage account and not having the same files or data which are going to migrate using Azure AZ copy. And if the same files or data already present, then the destination storage account. And if we run the command AZ copy again, then it will ignore if already files are present. It will simply ignore if the files are present already. Okay. Fine, guys. Is that clear? This is what how it is. This is what the command is the copy command that I have mentioned. Okay, next we are having structure query language. You can use Dhananjay. You can move the storage account from one resource group to another resource group. See here, one more option what Dhananjay is asking. Yes, that is also an expected interview question. Okay, see now, these two storage accounts, if you take here this storage account is in this resource group, in this resource group. So I'll do one thing. I'll click on resource group. I'll click on create. I'll say here old RG. I'll say here old underscore R. I'll go for Japan East region. Click on create. Okay. Now see what is this I'm doing. This is my storage accounts source 1985 and destination 1985. I want from new RG to old RG. New RG to old RG. So what I'll do, I'll first go inside the resource group. Okay, I'll click on these three dots. Click on these three dots and say here move. So here. Click on this move. Okay, move to another resource group. Move to another resource group here. Okay, so this is your source where you are having your storage accounts in this new RG. This is your target where you want to move. This is your old RG. Okay, you want to move now. You want to move from here to here. So target is what? Target is this one, old RG. Say next here, add resources. What resources you want to move? I want to move this one and this one. If you want to move, you can move data factory, you can move SQL server, many other things also. If you want, you can move it. It's your choice, but it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. Just you have to click, that's it, whatever you want to move, nothing as such. So I'm taking these two storage accounts, click on select. These two storage accounts has been selected, click on next. Okay, now it is doing the validation. It is just doing the validation. It will check whether the storage accounts is feasible to move to different resource group. It is feasible to move to another RG or not. It will check and it will let us know. Okay. It is just doing the validation. Just hold on. Okay, it will check whether it is feasible or not to move the storage accounts to new resource group, old RG, new RG to old RG. Correct, na? So it will take some time, guys. Okay. Okay, okay. I'll share it, Shilpa. I'll share it. So let the validation gets completed, guys. Maybe it will take 2 more minutes. See, checking whether these, okay, checking whether these resources can be moved. This might take a few minutes. Okay, this might take few minutes. Just hold on. Okay, Shilpa is asking for the material. Okay, whoever wants, guys, please take it. I'll remove all these things because it will be confusion for you guys. Okay, see, it is saying that validation is succeeded. Till now, it was doing the validation, right? It is saying now the validation is succeeded. Okay, just hold on, guys. Okay, I'll just share this link first. So whoever wants, they can take the material. They can download the material. I hope it is accessible. Please check it and let me know. Okay. So now see, it is succeeded. Validation is succeeded. This is what we were looking for. We have been waiting. Now see, guys, before I start the movement here, I start the migration from one resource group to another resource group. I'm showing you as a proof. Okay. See here in your old RG, there is nothing. There is nothing. Nothing. Okay. I'll say here next and I'll say here, yes, I understand. Just say here move. Check the checkbox and say move. Now see what it is happening. It is moving the resources storage accounts from new RG to old RG. This into this storage into this resource group. From this resource group to this resource group. So see, it is still in operation. Just hold on. It might take some more time. Okay, if I go here, if I take a refresh, if I go to old RG, okay, still the resource storage accounts are not visible. So the movement is still going on. So just hold on. Okay, it's taking long time. Okay, not sure, guys, how much time it will take. Acha, I got it. I got it. Actually, the storage accounts are having lot of data, na guys. See, lot of data is there, so it's pretty expected. The time is expected, na. A lot of data is there, na. Okay, so it has been moved. What it is saying, see, storage account not found. Destination also, I think it will show me the same status. Yeah, storage account not found. Just hold on. Ah, see, it came finally. It came here finally. From new RG to old RG, it came here. Okay, if you want, you can verify the data also. Whatever the data that was there, the data is there. If it is not there, the data will get copied slowly. The data will get copied slowly. Okay, if it is not there, let me check. Yeah, super. The data is also got completely moved. The data also got moved completely. Okay, from old RG to new RG. This is what okay, storage one resource group to another resource group also you can make the movement of your Azure resources. Fine, guys. That's what for today's class. Now this is completely new concept. SQL queries, structure query language. See, guys, tomorrow we are having holiday because of Independence Day. Tomorrow we are having holiday because of Independence Day. So we'll connect on Friday. Okay, that is 16th August. Tomorrow is holiday. Naresh IT has declared holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow no class. We'll connect on 16th August. All right, is that clear? So 16th August we start this structure query language. We'll start from the basics of SQL queries. Okay, then slowly I'll show you the moderate queries. Okay, lot of different queries we'll discuss: subqueries, joins, stored procedures, common table expressions, where clause. Lot of things are there. Okay, union all is there. Group by is there. Having is there. Okay, different operators, subqueries. Lot of different queries we'll discuss here. Okay, then after that I'll show you database migrations also. Database migrations. This is today we have seen what data migration. Today we have seen data migration, files, blob files, page blob files, and all this. How we have migrated, we have seen today. After this, I will show you database migrations also. How we can migrate the databases from on-prem to cloud and all that stuff. That we'll see if possible. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for today's class. Am I good to close the class? Okay, I'll reply back to you, Ahil. I'll reply back to you.